Happy Thanksgiving! Welcome to the full experience walkthrough of Sheldon the Turtle Chute Adventure at Playhouse Disney Universe. So it features the queue, the ride, the exit pathway, and the shop. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Now we're heading out there now. So this is the daytime POV. So I'll be featuring an unchanged footage. So here we go! If you don't know, Sheldon the Turtle Chute Adventure is a log flume style ride. Now be in dark places, big drops, and a bit of falling conditions. So I will be kind of explaining all of them.
As you know, Sheldon the Turtle Chute Adventure is a log flume adventure that includes loud noise.
So, heading up there now.
I found my birth certificate and it says I'm poor. So give me back my candle.
This is time, and don't forget to smile when the camera turns the big up.
There's no camera on this ride.
Prepare for ball.
Good luck on your exciting adventure.
Well, if I can't take it with me...
I'm not going. Well, we're almost there. So here's the pre-show.
Bing Crosby's horse hasn't come in yet? Hey, television, we play this television? Holy mackerel, where's my rifle? Oh, here it is. What? A buck watches.
So now currently playing in the audio cue set is the old gray hair. That's one of a few funny shorts I want to watch.
Where's that rabbit? What's up, I'm looking for a little gray rabbit. What's he look like? He looks just like you. Not so fast, Christian car. Stop or I'll shoot! Stop or I'll shoot! Your business! Your business!
Have a great time. See you there. Okay, here's the load station. So please be turn off these tabs. So just has to warn you, this ride lasts 7 minutes. We're just heading up there now, so I'll be using raised footage right before my update. But Planet Coaster 2's 8th update will be coming out December 1st.
Bienvenidos. Por su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos,
So I'm not sure why.
dentro del vehículo y supervisen a los niños.
So the reason why I heard Hawaiian using there's the exit pathway. If you look right here,
Bienvenidos. Por su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas
streak up there.
supervisen a los niños. Gracias.
All right.
Bienvenidos.
Just waiting for a train to pass by. Or an on-street train pass by. Dad, there's one now. Okay, guys, here we go.
Dicen a los niños. Gracias.
Find it through all those corn stack bushes.
Sheldon the turtle, you, Sheldon, come back whenever you are.
Man, I'm tired of playing hide and seek in the dark.
Sheldon the turtle, he's so green. Sheldon the turtle, Sheldon the turtle, Sheldon the turtle, I can see those very tall trees around here. I can see nothing back Whoa, look over there, Hopper. I can see those very tall trees around here. I can see nothing back there. Is there a Hopper in the room, Hopper? Is there an elephant in the room, Hopper?
Seen too, Sheldon. Hello, Bubbles. Hello, Bubbles. Nice to see you. Seen too, Sheldon. Hello, Bubbles. Hello, Bubbles.
Whoa, look over there, Hopper. I can see those very tall trees around here.
I can see Natalie back
Hopper can't jump a little over contest. Don't be cheating. It's time to get a little lower now. Hey, I'm Baby Chicken. I have to warn you. Oh,
I hope you have fun being tiny with you, but it's time for you to get big.
This is the life. Enjoying my dreams a little bigger.
I hope you have fun being tiny with you, but it's time for you to get big. The bigger you get, the bigger the splash you make.
The turtle still in his room.
I hope you have fun being tiny.
He's Sheldon. He's
Hang on. Now let's get you home. You'll be here in no time. Hang on. Now let's get you home. You'll be here in no time.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Hopper. Wake up, Hopper. It's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Hopper.
Good morning. It's your birthday.
We all had a great time, didn't we? We'll do it the same way anytime we come. Bye-bye. The right. Ha-ha! See you next time.
And they all lived happily ever after. Well, that was the ride. So it's time to head down to the exit corridor to Sheldon's Barnyard General.
And leaving you $3 million in my will. Uncle will remember. Oh boy, I'm waiting to the
Well, you just the guy. Then, gather your belongings
You don't
and
get
exit to the right.
if you
Hasta la vista, my dudes.
especially weapons. You're free now with the weapon.
Remember to stay seated until the log reaches the dock. Then, gather your belongings and exit to the right.
We all had a great time, didn't we? We'll do it the same way anytime we come. Bye-bye. Wow, I haven't seen this quite a while around here, don't you? We all had a great time, didn't we? We'll do it the same way anytime we come. Bye-bye.
to Sheldon's Barnyard General.
Wow! I haven't seen this quite a while around here.
Oh, I can hear a logo by Vivaldi playing. Just a charming tune. Great music though. Thanks for visiting Sheldon the Turtle Lock Chute Adventure. Come back soon. And that's all for this episode. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more on Playhouse Disney Universe. Thanks for watching. Until next time. See you on the next adventure, everyone.